Hey friends, it's Mike. The good folks at Glarry Instruments contacted me a couple of months ago and they said, hey Mike, would you mind doing a review of one of our guitars? And I said, sure. So they sent me this Strat style guitar and it's $60, and I'll have the link down below, and that includes free shipping, so it's quite amazing for 60 bucks. And so when the guitar arrived, I wasn't really expecting much. A $60 guitar, free shipping, you know. And I plug her in and I was pleasantly surprised. She plays very, very well. So as a guitar for a beginner, this is really an incredible bargain and a very good guitar. So let me just point a couple of things out and that I noticed when I got the guitar and I played her. And I will be doing a sound demonstration after I take you through this. The finish on the neck is a matte, so it's not glossed up. The tuners are pretty good. They have a little bit of play in them, but that's something that you would expect with a guitar at this price point. It has a plastic nut. Again, this is something else that you'll find with a guitar in this price range. The frets are fine. I did play the guitar up and down the neck. There was no buzzing out, none of that stuff. It is a rosewood fretboard. The pickups are single coils. They sound very good. I had no issues with them. In fact, the bridge pickup had a lot of presence when I played. It had a lot of power, and we'll check that out later when I play, and you can decide for yourself. It's a trem bridge. The guitar showed up with the intonation spot on, which is very good. You usually don't get that with guitars at this price point, but it was right there. When I played the guitar earlier, and the bar does come with the guitar, the trem bar, and I was playing pretty aggressively, the guitar stayed in tune. That's another thing that I was very surprised. I was expecting that this was going to be all over the map as far as tuning, but nope, she stayed in tune. The fit, finish, all that is very good. No blemishes, none of that stuff. Okay, so again, a very, very nice guitar for the money. Let me just flip her over and I'll show you the neck. Alright, so there's the headstock. You can see the design. Very different from the Fender Strat headstock, which is what they have to do to avoid lawsuits. And there's the neck. Again, it has that matte finish, which a lot of guitar players like. The glossed up neck, sometimes your hand sticks if it gets sweaty. You can see here that it has a little bit of a knot, but that's in the wood and you can't feel it, just in case anybody was wondering. Alright, other than that, everything else is standard Strat issue stuff. And again, the finish is excellent. Okay, so now what I'm going to do with this guitar, because I'm going to fix it up for a family friend, is I'm going to upgrade her. And again, the guitar costs 60 bucks, online, free shipping. So what I thought I would do is a couple of things. One, I'm going to put on this tortoise pick guard. I thought that might look pretty cool. 10 bucks. This Tusk XL nut to get rid of the plastic nut, self-lubricating graphite, $10. So we have 20 bucks. And this Dragonfire dual rail humbucker. I'm going to put that into the bridge position. 20 bucks. $40 in upgrades, $60 for the guitar, $100 total. And I think when I'm done, she's going to be a very good player. Okay? So what I'll do now is I will plug her in and let's take a listen to how she sounds. We'll do some clean sounds and then I'll play to a backing track with some distortion. Okay? Be right back. Neck position, no effects. Middle position. Bridge position. Neck position. Middle position. bridge position. And now let's move to playing with the backing track. It'll be in E minor. Okay, so that concludes the review and the demo of the Glarry GST Strat style guitar. $60 with the link down below, free shipping. You can't go wrong, especially if you're looking to get started with playing electric guitar. The comment section is open down below. Feel free to comment. Take care.